Hello and welcome to your hamstring fascial freedom tutorial. What we're going to need for this one is ideally a step, so something just to elevate yourself off the ground a little bit, a medicine ball, something hard. Now it can be a basketball, a football or something like that, just something that's got a little bit more of a surface area and is kind of hard, and just something to hold on to, just so we're not awkwardly sitting or anything like that. So what we're going to do, we're going to be kneeling on the floor, get a mat, something comfortable. The whole idea of these fascial freedoms is to get as comfortable as we can. We want your body to be relaxed. We're going to be starting somewhere at mid part of your hamstring with the ball. And the idea, first of all, is to stay as square as we can. You might find when you get on it, you might be a little bit twisted and awkward. So see if you can be as square on as you can. As always, starting with a nice neutral spine. And just by sitting in this position here, you'll probably find that can be quite tender as well. The idea of this one though, we're not going to be moving that much. We want to just let the weight of the body sit on the ball and allow all those dehydrated parts of the fascial tissue to start to break open to allow some fluid to flow through. So what we're going to do here to begin with is just relax on it. Take a minute to focus on just breathing and calming the body. Then what we can do is just introduce a little bit of an anterior tilt of the pelvis. And you can start by just sitting up nice and tall. If you want a little bit more out of it, you can start to lean forward a little bit too. So we set a timer for a minimum of 3 minutes. Sometimes you may need a little bit more. With this spot too, you might find that you need to move the ball higher up, closer to the glute. We find a lot of people are going to be a lot more restricted and dehydrated higher up into the glute area, but everyone is completely different. This is all about the self-discovery of your fascial freedom. So start with that, set the timer, make sure you do both sides, experiment with different size balls, get as comfortable as you can, and go after it. I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video tutorial.